Light colors absorb less heat, therefore these are not heated as much as the black color.
The darker the object, the better it emits heat, because it's a better absorber of light. On the other hand, a white object appears white because it reflects all the different wavelengths and absorbs little to no light. It doesn't absorb much energy, then, and puts off little to no heat. Light energy can be converted into heat energy. A black object absorbs all wavelengths of light and converts them into heat, so the object gets warm. A white object reflects all wavelengths of light, so the light is not converted into heat and the temperature of the object does not increase noticeably.
Rainwater is more fertile than water from tube well.
Farmers know that rainwater grows better and more abundant crops compared to borehole or river irrigation. This can be explained scientifically. As the magnetic field breaks down minerals into smaller particles, making them more bioavailable to the plant cells. Rainwater is more fertile because it contains many salts and nitrogen dissolved from the atmosphere.
The manhole covers are generally round.
Therefore, many manhole covers are round, so they don't need to be rotated. There are no corners to deal with. Also, a round manhole cover won't fall into a hole because it was rotated the wrong way, so it's safer. There may be other reasons why corners are a problem and why a round shape is better.
Clothes of a moving dancer bulge.
The clothes of a moving dancer bulge outside due to the centrifugal force, which tends to move away from the center.
People are advised not to stand near fast-moving train.
As train goes by, air particles near the train also start moving with it, which creates low-pressure region by Bernoulli's principle. So, a person standing at the edge of the platform will be attracted towards the train.
The image of a tree is inverted on the bank of a lake.
The water of lake acts as a mirror. According to the laws of light, mirror forms inverted images. The process of sending back the light rays which fall on polished surface is called reflection of light. In addition, the water acts as a magnifying glass, which bends the light toward the center. The light comes together at the focal point, and beyond the focal point, the image looks reversed because the light that was on the right is now on the left, and vice versa.
Polar star is always seen in the north.
Some stars travel a great distance over the course of the night. Polaris is different. Because it's so close to the celestial pole, it traces out a very small circle over 24 hours. So Polaris always stays in roughly the same place in the sky. It would appear directly overhead if you stood at the North Pole, and therefore it is even more accurate than a compass, indicating the true north.
We never see birds urinating.
Birds convert nitrogen to uric acid instead. This is metabolically more costly but saves water and weight, as it is less toxic and doesn't need to be diluted so much. Birds therefore don't have a urethra, and don't pee, all waste leaves via the anus. Do birds have a urinary bladder? Simply put, birds do not even have a bladder or urethra, Fisher said. However, they do have kidneys that filter waste. Birds excrete both feces and uric acid out of their cloaca, the cavity at the end of the digestive tract, which turns into the white paste-like substance.
Pasteurized milk has more nourishment than the ordinary boiled milk.
While boiling milk drastically reduces milk's nutritional value, pasteurization does this to a lesser degree. In addition, commercially produced milk is typically fortified with vitamins and minerals to replace those few that may be lost in the heating process. Moreover, pasteurized milk is obtained by heating milk at a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. In this way, the TB bacteria are killed without damaging the milk protein.
Bees die when they sting human being.
Female worker honeybees have barbed stings that evolved for stinging other bees and insects. When seen under a microscope, a worker bee's sting resembles a harpoon, covered in 2 rows of saw-toothed blades. Experts believe that bees are unaware of the fate. It's only when they sting mammals, with their thick skin, that the barbs become wedged. In trying to get free, the bee rips away part of its abdomen and internal organs. It's this that causes it to die a few minutes later.